Hey there, guys. It's me, Steve. Welcome back to Grind Freedom. Today, I'm enjoying a beautiful, beautiful acai bowl. I love acai bowls. Manifesting here a trip to Brazil. Soon. Sponsored by YouTube. Talking about YouTube, I want to talk today about how to get to 100 subscribers fast, not wasting time, just going for it. Here's how you do it. Make at least 20 videos within 1.5 months. So between 45 days, you have to aim to make 20 videos. The closer to each other the videos are, the better. The far apart they are, the worse it is. So in the beginning, they could be a little far apart. It's fine. You're just getting the groove of things. But then when you do it, just make sure as you get comfortable on camera, speaking, however it is that you're going to do the videos, make sure to tie in production. Make sure you're exporting more. Make sure you're consuming less and you're exporting and creating and producing more. It's important. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. See what I just did there? That's what a point that you have to make in your videos. You have to literally tell people, hey, subscribe. And if you put a goal, it's even better, because then people, out of their good faith and just from their optimistic and human behavior of just trying to help others, they're gonna want to subscribe. They're gonna want to be part of the tribe. Another thing is, if you call your subscribers like a cool name, that could also help a little bit. I don't have a name for you guys. Can you suggest any names? I don't want to say the grinders, because that can mean a lot of different things. I just thought of freedom fighters, but it's like, we're not, I guess, I mean, we're going to war. We don't want to be working a regular 9 to 5, you know, or at least not one that we hate. The whole point of this is just to help you guys and help myself too. Discover better ways, new ways to hustle towards our freedom. So, yeah. Besides those points that I made, to be honest with you, the fastest way that you'll get to actual 100 subscribers is if you simply share yourself with people. Share your story, share your background, share who you are. And ultimately, the right people, the right ones, will gravitate towards you. If you get discouraged because in the beginning you don't get as many views or as many subscribers or whatever it is, it's absolutely fine. You know, just think about it like you're just talking to a friend. You know, If you get just a couple of views, it's fine. Over time, it will increase. As you get comfortable, you share more of yourself and all those things, it will actually get better. But also don't forget that CTA. CTA stands for call to action. So, and that is subscribe. If you haven't done so already, if you're new right here, if you discover this video for the first time, if YouTube recommended this video for you, please, first of all, put in the comments below, how did you find me? Did you find me through search? Were you already subscribed? Did YouTube push this video towards you? Just let me know. The other thing is, if you're new here, please subscribe, because we have a goal right here in Grind to Freedom to get this channel to over 1,000 subscribers so we can monetize it and prosper with that YouTube sweet money. Sweet YouTube money. I smell it. But I'm still not close. But yeah, if you share yourself, literally, this video is the blueprint for you. I gave you personality. I gave you that's who I am. That's the type of jokes that I like to make. I'm eating acai. Like, this is real. This is what I do. And I'm manifesting Brazil. I gave you cool advice. I keep it entertaining. I keep it short and sweet as much as I can. And yeah, and at the end you feel satisfied to watch this video. So a good way to repay me is by subscribing to this channel. And just by doing that, you guys will get to 100 subscribers and beyond. I already achieved over 100. That's freaking crazy. I started this channel not that long ago. Oh my god, I almost choked to death. But yeah, I didn't start this channel a long time ago, and look where we are now. So let's keep doing it. Share it, share it with all your friends. Or let's continue to grind to freedom. Freedom fighters. That's not a great name. Put in the comments below a good name, okay? See you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful, blessed day.